I'm Frank Darras, America's top insurance attorney. Today we're going to talk about short-term, affordable student health insurance. Great news! Under the new Affordable Health Care Act, our kids can be covered under our own policy until they're 26. Did I mention that includes whether they're married or not? The law also requires that any full-time student who does not have health insurance is now going to have to purchase a plan through the college or institution that they're attending. Unfortunately, there's 8.2 million of our fellow Americans out of work, and they don't have health insurance, and their children don't either. The good news is, student health insurance is affordable and provides great coverage, especially when we don't have any. A number of private insurance providers, such as Aetna, also provide short-term student health insurance plans. However, these university-sponsored plans tend to be more affordable and actually provide quality coverage. The Affordable Health Care Act also requires students either waive the university-sponsored plan by proving they have outside coverage through mom and dad, or are forced to enroll, and the charge is automatically going to be billed to our kids' student college account. Over 1 million college students are now covered under university-sponsored plans. Students who have families can also add a spouse or children for an additional cost, usually a bit more expensive than their own coverage. Parents or students should really stop. Take a look at the pre-existing clause when you're purchasing a university-sponsored plan. See if you've been to the doctor, taken any prescriptions, gotten any care or treatment in the 3, 6, or 12 months just in front of you're purchasing your new student plan. If you did, a pre-existing limitation clause may apply. The Affordable Health Care Act also requires that university-sponsored plans be subject to consumer protections, including great annual limits of no less than $100,000 for plans beginning before September 23rd of 2012. And we get a bump, no less than $500,000 between September 23rd of 12 and January 1st of 2014. After January 1st of 2014, better news. There's going to be no annual limits on our student health insurance policy. Now, plans are required to notify policyholders of their policy limits, and I highly recommend that students enrolling in the plan seek the help from a parent or a top insurance lawyer when filling out the paperwork. Applications can be tricky, so it's important the paperwork's filled out accurately so our students receive the very best care when they're shopping for that student health insurance. I'm Frank Darras, founding partner of Darras Law, Ontario, California.